So, you want to speak English. You sit to practice, then nothing. Your mind says, oh, I have no topic to practice. Your mind is blank. You think, I have no topic. And you just close your mouth and you just go to overthinking. Like, no, I am not able to speak English and I will, and like, I can't speak English. It is not my cup of tea. You think like that. Yeah. So this is the biggest lie we tell ourselves. I cannot speak because I have no topic. The truth is you don't need a topic to start. You need a method. We wait for big topics like global warming, like my ambition, or something topic like school, the cow. Guys, we are not child. In real life, nobody talks like that daily. Okay, and silent people never become speakers, never become fluent. So, guys, don't worry. Wait. Smile. First, smile. First, refresh your mind. Um, be. I want to just motivate you. Smile. I also had zero topics in my head. And today I will give you some tricks to speak English even when your brain says no topic, your brain is empty. And in this process, no book needed, no teacher needed, no money needed, nothing needed. You can speak English alone in your room. Okay. And yeah, I'm sitting in my room right now and I'm speaking. You can see I have no topic, but still I am just speaking. And after this video, you will never say I have no topic again. You will have too many things to say. Okay, so please be ready and yeah, so I'm going to tell you everything. Okay, so first refresh your mind and think positive and smile for a second. Okay, yeah, you can speak English even if you don't have topic. Okay, so don't worry, I'm here and you are not alone. So guys, if you think you cannot speak English because you have no topic, then no, listen, this is a wrong belief. You do not need a special topic to speak English. You just need to start speaking about your real life. Okay, so here is how you can do it. Step number 1, just describe what you see. Just look around your room right now. Say it in English. I see a wall. There is a fan on the ceiling. My phone is on the table. Okay, so see, you spoke 3 sentences. That is speaking practice without any topic. Step number 2, talk about your daily routine. Say what you did today. Like I woke up at 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I drank tea or water. Now I am making this video. So this is real English. Okay, native speakers talk like this. So this is all. Step number 3, ask and answer your own questions. Ask yourself, what did I eat for lunch? Then answer, I ate rice and dal and sabji. It was tasty. So you become 2 people. So this is the best practice when you are alone, right? Step number 4, tell a small story from your day. Something simple like today my baby threw the food, I was angry, then I laughed. Babies are funny. Okay, so stories do not need big topics. Small moments are topics and that's it. Step number 5, read and repeat. Take one line from WhatsApp or Instagram, read it out loud 5 times. Okay, like hope you have a nice day. Now change one word, hope you have a great day. You just created new English, right? So the guys, topics are everywhere. Your room is a topic, your food is a topic, your feelings are a topic. You are not silent because you have no topic. You are silent because you are waiting for perfect topic. So stop waiting, open your mouth and describe your cup of tea or your cup of tea. So that is how every fluent speaker started. Okay, they spoke about small things daily and one day small become big. So from today your topic is my life and you have that topic 24 hours daily. So speak and practice and yeah, you do not need any topic. Everywhere is topic. Just change your mindset and you are good to go. And next what I want to say, yeah, something I want to say also, just look and say, look at three things near you. Okay, wherever you are, look at three things you see and say that in English. Like this is a chair, that is a table, that is. And time talk also. Second, time talk. What time is it now? See the time and answer it. And also food talk. What did you eat? Say, for breakfast I ate bread and omelette. I ate strawberry and this. So this is food talk. Feeling talk. How do you feel? Say, right now I am feeling good, I am enjoying my life and something. So it is feeling talk. Like something you can also talk. Tomorrow talk. Say one thing about tomorrow. Like tomorrow I will do something exciting and do something interesting. So topic is everywhere. Food talk. You can talk about food, feelings, your friend, your family members, what you eat for lunch, what and what you want to do next. The topic is everywhere. You don't need big topic like global warming, like like any big topic, hot topic like what hot topic, something like that. Iran and something war, about war जो देश में हमारे चल रहा है or something. So guys, I think English is not that tough. You make tough. You don't need topic. Topic is everywhere. Just make it and speak about it. Okay, so I don't think and right now I'm sitting on the chair and I'm in my room alone, and alone I'm making this video. I'm talking about whatever comes in my mind. So guys, topic is everywhere. You just need to stop making excuses. I have no topic and can't speak English, blah blah blah. Yet people are going to the moon. They are they are very innovative. They are creating new things, and you are stuck in here and just thinking about topic. Oh, just wake up, my dear friend, and speak. That's all. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, and please, 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 please subscribe to my channel and support. And yeah, next I will come up with another new video. And I know you, this is your biggest problem, like you don't have topic. That's why I come up with this video. Okay, so please don't worry. I hope now you understand what you have to do. Now you don't need any topic. Topic is everywhere. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Bye. Love you all.